Make sure that's set right to just chatting. Yep. Okie dokie. Alright, so tonight we're just going to do this one. We're doing the Eevee model to go along with our... I don't know where my Pikachu is currently, but we have Charizard done. And we have Dragonite done. So we're going to add Eevee to that collection as well. And then we have to find a Mew next. Or a Mewtwo rather, not a Mew. I need to be able to see what I'm doing, so I guess I might have to full screen this. I can't see my stream. This is bad. I hate the way this browser's set up at times. I have to do it this way, I guess. Okay, so we can see everything still. Cool. And I don't have my knife. I will be right back. My knife is in the bedroom. What's up, SJ? How are you today? We are working on putting Eevee together today. She looks to be one of the more complicated models. Actually, since we're not streaming, I could realistically move this over here so that we can see better. Show player. There we go. Perfect. Now I can keep an eye on the stream. Alright. How's things going, SJ? I hadn't seen you in a while, my dude. Streaming really early tonight because I wanted to work on this on stream and then decide if we're going to actually play anything tonight. I haven't decided if I'm going to actually stream a game or not. Alright, so for stickers. Alright. We don't need the lid. Good, just hadn't. I've been online on Twitch. Fair enough, fair enough. How's things going? Outside of not being on Twitch. Let's see, so we start with A2. 15. Which one is 15? Okay, so they're starting with this face. Then we do A2 18. Grinding Warzone because 2 months I have not played because of lag. Damn, that sucks about the lag, bro. I actually went back to playing Warzone a little bit more here lately. We may play some Warzone later tonight. I haven't decided yet. Depends on how long it takes me to put Eevee together and what everybody else is doing at that point. But right now, we're dropping frames, so I may not be able to... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to watch it because it's dropping too many frames. Let me know if the stream still looks bad since I've stopped watching it. Yeah, did I grab the wrong one? This is 18, right? Yeah, so it's just not wanting to push in for me. I have to pop it out. Yeah, I saw it drop in frames. I was trying to watch the video so I could see what it was doing online. But, yeah, I'm not going to be able to. Alright, this is making me mad already. I can't get this piece to snap into place and I can't get it back out. Actually, I got an idea. Dang, bro. Jesus, man. Yeah, it'll be okay. I just can't watch it. That's what's going to happen, and that'll be fine. Yeah, it should go in the way I put it in. I don't know why it didn't go in smoothly. Oh, I see. Okay, so we got to line this piece up right here like so. Goes in much easier when you actually do it the right way. I'm fine, SJ. I appreciate the concern. Alright, so it gets 2 white dot stickers on this one. These are always the hardest part for me. These stickers are so tiny. I hate the eye stickers. We shouldn't be dropping any more frames though. So your IG post my nice, nice. I'm glad you enjoyed the photo. That food was friggin' amazing, dude. We're gonna have to go back really soon. And it's crazy to think in this little bitty tourist trap of a town we actually have something that good here to eat. And especially considering we're in the middle of the US with no oceans near us. That's as close as it's going to get. So there's the eyeballs. Oh, there's the eyeballs. So that's all we do for that piece. Now we have to take this one and take this. Yeah, we had a lot of fun going out today and actually trying it. I love the name of the place. It was a really good play on words. And the funny part is, I don't know if I put it in my IG post, but the guy's name that runs it is actually Po, and he runs a noodle shop. So if you've ever seen Kung Fu Panda, I thought it was really funny because his name is Po and he's selling noodles. And he's a big old boy too. So the Kung Fu Panda theme fit. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn this one because I had it the wrong direction apparently. Yep, we had it the wrong direction. Why is this piece not wanting to line up, man? There we go. Nope, that's not right. Or is it? Yeah, I guess it is. The nose piece just didn't go very far. There we go, now it's flush. Almost flush. Oh, I see what happened. Baby, do we have a... Can you get me one of them forceps? Because I've got to pull this piece out. It slid off track on me again and I can't get a hold of it. I goofed. I got to realign this one. whatever they're called, the Bandai ones next, the Gundams. And I'll just give those away on the channel, I think, if I do those. That's what we should do, babe. I should start putting the Gundam snap models together and like these and give them away on the channel for prizes. I need to go back to playing Pokemon too. I haven't played it in a hot minute. Alright, there is the second head we have, so we can put either one of these heads on her. Probably going with this one. Let's see, step 3, we gotta find B5 and put it to A216. Alright, so B5, which is gonna be over here on this one. No, this is A1, this is B. There's one of the B5s. Okay, so it's this one. Alright, so A216 was which one? A216 is... oh, that's the back piece. Okay, so that's this one. We haven't done the back piece yet. Okay. So then we put this piece in going down, and it should slide right in. I don't know if you've ever put these models together, SJ, but they are super easy to put together, and they're actually a lot of fun. And there's her head. Oh! There's her head. So if we decided, we could just take this piece off and just snap this one on in its spot. But we're going to go with this one because this is the one I like. So we take A18 and A17. A18 and A17. Thank you for the lurk, SJ. And then we put our little sticky on here. Oof. And the sticker doesn't line up right for you. That's always fun. Are there different ones? Apparently so. I would think they would be the same cut, but apparently I'm wrong. Alright, one ear is done. There we go. 2 ears done. And then they snap into place. Our little doggy has ears now. And they move around too, which is one of the cool things about these models. Alright, so we've done all of her head, which was step 6. Now we gotta go to step 7. Alright, so step 7 is A2 and C5. Oh no, A220. 20 and 20 and C5. Alright, so is this C here? Yes, so C5 is this piece. Alright, so this one goes on the ball on the sides. Okay, so her neck piece moves too. That's really cool. And then A110 and A219. A110 and A19. A219. A219. Okay, so it's this little piece here. Alright, so is he okay?
What are you trying to eat, dude? What was you putting in your mouth that you just spit out? Huh? Oh, you had a hair stuck in your mouth? Okay. He was choking on hair. You're chewing on his hair again.
Alright, so how does this piece, it just snaps straight down, okay. Probably should have done this one first, since that's how it snaps in. Just doesn't seem right. There we go. Alright, we got it snapped in. Now we set this piece aside. We need A12. A1 piece 2. C6 and C7. C6 and 7. So it's these things. Okay. Okay, so
as long as you stay in there, that's fine.
This is the tail piece. It goes down here. It says to make sure the tail is up. And then this piece here goes here, like so, right? View from inside. So the one with the 2 ball is the one that should be facing us. Okay. Now we take A1. There we go. And snap them together like so. B4 into B3. B4 into B3. B4 and B3 are right here together. Alright. Then that goes into the foot, which is C2, C3 put together. C2 and C3. It's these two. What is up, Bow Hunter? How are you today? And this piece goes in here. We are building an Eevee. Yeah, we're building Eevee. We're building this. She goes along with my Charizard, my Dragonite,
Dude, cut it out,
and I have a Pikachu in the kitchen somewhere. I've got her and like a Mew left to build. So we're just doing something different for right now. Keeping the calm, chill vibes before we go shoot people in Warzone later, I guess. How's your day today? Let's see, 10 is B1, B2. Yeah, I'm running out of models for Pokemon, and like I was telling my girlfriend, I think I'm gonna get them and start putting them together and put them, or give them away as channel rewards.
Do what? You want to go down and see this black?
The guy.
So we're going to walk downstairs and come right back up. Alright.
I'm going to do that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the plan is after we get the model together tonight, but we're gonna play something. Probably Warzone. Seems to be all I've played lately. Bubba, I need you to stop.
If you don't stop, we're not going downstairs.
Alright, so A14, A15. 4 and 5. It's beautiful here. Mow grass, worked outside. Nice, nice. Yeah, it was amazing here today too. We actually went out and got some ramen from a place called Tasteful Nudes. It was actually a really good day. Posted some photos on my IG of it. The food was absolutely amazing. Other than that,
Give me a minute.
I didn't do much. I bought 3 packs of Pokemon cards, pulled a $30 card, traded the $30 card for this, and that was about my day. 8, 12, 2, 14, and 13. We're almost done with this one. She was actually pretty quick.
In a minute, dude.
Where do you live, Bo? That it was a pretty day? And my girlfriend made burgers for dinner. That was the other part of my day.
What?
Forgot about that.
I ain't cooked the cake yet because you won't leave me alone.
Alright, so the big pieces like this go back here. Bubba, I need you to hush, dude.
Give it to me. I will give you one.
Goes right here.
No, you get one.
Goes right here.
One. You get one to start with.
This was probably the easiest of all of them to put together.
Or here.
Pittsburgh, nice, nice. I would not expect somebody with Bowhunter in their name to be from Pittsburgh.
I'm keeping this one.
I was actually expecting you to tell me something like Oklahoma. Her tail's bigger than her body. That's insane. This piece goes on here. Does it just sit here? It doesn't snap into place in any way? That's interesting. How are you? We're listening to chill music and finishing up our Pokemon model at the moment. With a loud kid in the background that's over talking me. See you there. Nice, nice. Are they doing customs, Bo, or what?
Why is stuck in the paper? Why they put in? What's not like this? No.
Because I didn't know if he ever made his mind up if he was doing sub games or customs.
No.
Bubba, hush.
What number is this?
Absolutely, Gettysburg most. Yep. And now I kind of want to come back and go to the Amish place. I can't even remember what it is at the moment.
Number 2. I'm changing number 2.
But I would like to go back there and actually see that for a little bit as well. There's our finished Eevee.
What is this?
We got our little feetsies on. The Eevee was actually the easiest one out of all of them.
What number?
Her and Pikachu were the easiest. I gotta go find Pikachu. I'll be right back.
He's on top of the refrigerator. I told you that.
I know who the freaking is.
You gotta go find it. You know where it is. You poked it.
No.
Yes, you have. You need to go get a new diaper.
No.
You stink.
There's our Pikachu.
You can either go let me get a new diaper, or we can go to your room and start reading.
So Pikachu, Eevee, Charizard, and Dragonite. I don't know why Dragonite's sitting so weird. He all gangster and chilled and laid back. There we go. There is a Mewtwo left, and I think that's it as far as these go. Bubba, look at Eevee.
What's he doing?
Do you like it?
He's laughing.
Oh, Eevee just took out Dragonite. She's a god now. Who's this?
What number is this?
Who that?
Who's this?
Daddy's home.
Pikachu. Why, Grandma? He goes to on the beach.
Alright, so that is it for the model build. Now I gotta figure out what I'm going to do. I honestly expected this one to take a little bit longer than it did.
Trying to change his diaper.
Quit screaming.
I don't want my baby.
Just go to your room.
Come here and throw this away.
No.
Throw this away for me.
No. No.
Throw it away for me.
No.
Dude, we're fixing to go to your room.
Then you can go to bed if you're not gonna listen. Go throw it away. Quit! The microphone's right there. Quit hitting it. Go throw it away. Alright, give me a minute, guys, to figure out what's going on and see what we're going to do.
Candy. Hey. Candy sack.
Let's see what we got. There is still no Modern Atlas on. Let me go check Discord real quick, guys. See if he's in his Discord. There he is.
We need to finish this scav. We'll give you what up for sure with how much you got on deck.
Hey, are you streaming tonight?
If my internet ever decides to fix itself. Right now I'm just hanging out and Gabe's and coaching him.
Ah, damn, that sucks. I'm trying to figure out what to do.
Because you stink. You stink like poo-poo.
Alright, so we're waiting on Atlas to get his internet up. What are we going to do?
You got some yucky poo-poo?
I guess we could do some, we could log into Pokemon, I guess, and enter our codes. I have like 3 codes I haven't put on my stuff yet. We could do that, open up our packs, and
You go pick you, alright?
we'll go from there.
You got poo-poo everywhere and you didn't dare nobody.
I can't concentrate at the moment, I'm sorry guys.